Hello, welcome back. Today we are looking at this incredible best Sanvi Ai50 buy. It's officially the most talked about item this month. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it exceeds all expectations. They used high-grade durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: this offer won't last. See the deal in the bio, and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.